So you've been involved in a motorcycle crash. What do you do? There's several different ways that this can go. One is if you're too injured to be active on the scene of the crash, let the EMS and the paramedics take care of you. If you can call somebody, get the bike towed, ask somebody to take pictures for you. It's really important, if you can, if you're able to, while you're at the scene, get the names and phone numbers of all the witnesses. Oftentimes I'll get a call from somebody, it's he said, she said, there were witnesses, but nobody, not even the police, decided to get the names and contact information for these witnesses. Oftentimes that can make or break a case. So if you possibly can, get witness information and contact phone numbers. Now, if you're taken to the hospital in an ambulance, obviously you're busy. You need to do what the doctors are telling you. And then as soon as you're able, call an attorney. It's really important. You need to have an advocate on your side. That's my opinion. You need somebody in your corner who's going to fight for you and your family to get you put back together again to the extent that we can and to the extent that the law allows. If you are able to move about the crash scene and you aren't hurt bad or the adrenaline's kicked in and you're feeling pretty good, again, witnesses and contact information. Take as many photos from as many different angles as you can of the vehicles involved, of the scene, of the people there, the license plate on the vehicle that hit you. Just get as many photos as possible. There's no such thing as not enough pictures. So get as many pictures as you can. Talk to the police. They will probably want to give you or have you give a statement as to what happened. If you've identified witnesses, you may ask the police officer, this person saw the crash. You may want to talk to them, etc. One thing, and this is my opinion, but I'm seeing it more and more, is mounting a camera on your bike. Now, you got to be careful. This is also a two-edged sword, right? So if you're out there riding crazy and you go down or you get hit, the video is not going to help you. But in those circumstances where you're completely without fault, somebody pulled out in front of you, somebody turned left in front of you, somebody, whatever it is, that video is almost irreplaceable as far as what I need to be able to prove liability in a case. And liability is who's at fault. The video oftentimes gets the insurance company whipped into shape pretty quick. So if you have an option and you are a safe rider and aren't into taking a lot of risks, it might be a good choice to put a camera on your bike.